going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today I am here at the Roasted headquarters and we have some cool stuff. And what is this video about? I'm just gonna make a quick video for if anybody is getting ready to go to West Virginia for Hatfield and McCoy. If you're going on a long weekend ride, if you're going on rides that last a while, honestly, if you're going on a ride for every day, just some random things that we're packing for our trip. A little bit of doomsday stuff in case everything goes really bad, but also some stuff that's just making life easier for us. If you're interested and you want to see some of the products that we got, stick around, pay attention. Roasted Beans and Tires is going to teach you everything you need to have, and we're getting ready to go to West Virginia. We can't wait. The first item that we got was the MDPROMCP Maverick X3 tablet holder. We got this on Amazon. I'll put a link to everything. This is a tablet holder for your X3. It comes with the ability to hold a 5.1 to an 8-inch device, so a tablet, smartphone, other electronic devices. It also has storage for you in the middle so that you can pop it down and you still have access to your 12-volt charger port, so you can still plug your stuff in. Honestly, this thing's awesome. It's just a shell that goes over the empty space. Super easy install. As you can see, you just screw 4 screws in. We hand tighten them so we don't strip them. But other than that, it just goes right over top of your empty space. Easy install. I'll have a link to Amazon below. $39.99. The next thing we got was a UTV case for belts from A and UTV Pro. Don't be fooled by other places. This one was only $89 and does the same thing that the $200 ones do. It holds your belt for you. It goes on easy right to the railings. So super easy install, and it's a great spot to hold your belts and tools if you need to. Again, $89 on Amazon. Next is a Kemimoto X3 bag, a center shoulder console bag. Goes right in between the front 2 seats. It just pops right on. You pop a centerpiece off and it goes on. Super cool. It'll hold our cell phones. It's going to hold our cameras. But a really super easy accessory for $60. It's cheap and frankly, well worth it to me. Next, we got a Linq 8-gallon, 30-liter cooler box for Can-Am. This, to me, was super necessary. It has the Linq mounted easy on for the easy off installation, so you can just pop them in, pop them off. And I'm not using it as a cooler. I'm actually using it more as a toolbox. You just pop it open. It does have the cooler functions so you can drain it, but I'm using it to hold my stuff. So we have a tire inflator, we have my goggles, we have toe straps, we have mini shovels in there that folds up. It's a shovel. We got all sorts of stuff, and honestly, it's all just stuff that we have first aid kits. Anything that we're going to need on the trails, tire repair kits, we have it in there. And to me, it's a great purchase. It's a little expensive, but to me, to be able to move it back and forth from all of my Can-Ams is worth it to me. It was $460. All right, so that's everything that we installed today. Let me know if you think we need more stuff, if we're good. West Virginia, we are going in 2 weeks, October 2nd to the 6th. And then also going back November 14th to the 17th. So definitely need to have our stuff ready, need to be prepared, but these Can-Ams are ready to go. If you're going to be down there when we're down there, let me know. Comment below. Love to meet up. We're going to be on the Buffalo Mountain and Devil Ant side at first, and then we're going to go a little bit up towards the Pinnacle side next in November. So let me know. Let me know if there's things that we should get. All right. See you later.